Hello friends, welcome to Goal On. In today's video, we are going to be learning an essay on Jharkhand, so let's begin. Jharkhand, a land of natural beauty and cultural riches. Jharkhand, located in eastern India, is a state known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant tribal communities. With a history dating back centuries, Jharkhand has evolved into a unique blend of tradition and modernity, making it a fascinating destination for travelers and researchers alike. Historical significance. Jharkhand's history is deeply intertwined with its tribal communities, who have inhabited the region for generations. The state was carved out of Bihar in the year 2000, recognizing the distinct identity and aspirations of its tribal population. The name Jharkhand itself translates to the land of forests, reflecting the state's abundant natural resources and lush greenery. Cultural diversity. The cultural tapestry of Jharkhand is woven with threads of tribal traditions, folk music, dance forms, and handicrafts. The state is home to various tribes like Santal, Munda, Oraon, and Ho, each with its unique customs and rituals. Festivals like Sahul, Karma, and Sohrai are celebrated with great fervor, showcasing the vibrant cultural heritage of the region. Natural beauty. Jharkhand's landscape is a sight to behold, with rolling hills, dense forests, sparkling rivers, and majestic waterfalls dotting the terrain. Places like Natarhat, Betla National Park, and Hundru Falls offer breathtaking views and opportunities for ecotourism. The state is also rich in mineral resources, contributing significantly to India's industrial sector. Economic development. Despite its natural beauty and cultural richness, Jharkhand faces challenges in terms of economic development and infrastructure. The state government has been focusing on promoting industries like mining, steel, and power generation to boost economic growth and create employment opportunities for its residents. Initiatives like skill development programs aim to empower the youth and harness their potential. Future prospects. As Jharkhand moves towards a more sustainable and inclusive development model, there is a growing emphasis on preserving its natural resources, promoting ecotourism, and empowering tribal communities through education and skill building. The state has immense potential in sectors like agriculture, renewable energy, and tourism, which can drive its growth trajectory in the coming years. In conclusion, Jharkhand stands as a testament to India's cultural diversity, natural beauty, and resilience. With a rich history, vibrant culture, and untapped economic opportunities, the state holds promise for both its residents and visitors. By leveraging its strengths and addressing its challenges, Jharkhand can emerge as a shining example of sustainable development and inclusive growth in the heart of India.